This is problem number 6 from the section 2.4 homework. If planet 1 is 31.4 million miles farther from the sun than planet 2, then planet 3 is 23.6 million miles farther from the sun than planet 1. When the total of the distances for these 3 planets from the sun is 188.4 million miles, how far away from the sun is planet 2? There's a lot of information in here and it can be very confusing on the first read through. What I understood on my first read through is I have 3 planets. I know some information about how far they are from the sun, and I'm given the total distance, their total distances. And I'm supposed to find how far away planet 2 is. If you get that much on the first read through, you are good. Okay, so I looked through this and it's kind of confusing because they're told in relationship to each other, not necessarily to the sun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture, okay? Just to kind of get things in my head. Let's say this is the sun, okay? Planet 1 is further out than planet 2, and planet 3 is further out than planet 1. So the closest planet would be planet 2. And then planet 1 is further out than that. And then planet 3 is even farther away. Okay? The good thing about this problem is that if you look at your answer blank, it does have million miles in there. So that means we don't ever have to worry about that. We can just use these simple numbers here because the word million takes care of it. All right, so we are looking for how far away the sun is from planet 2. So this distance, that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to call it x. Planet 1 is 31.4 farther than planet 2. So the distance between planet 2 and planet 1 is going to be 31.4 million miles. Now, planet 3 is 23.6 million miles farther from the sun than planet 1. So this distance is 23.6 million miles. Okay, so I have my information sort of organized so that I have some idea. Okay, what I need now is I need a way in math of talking about exactly how far away from the sun each of these 3 planets is. So planet 1, planet 2, and planet 3. Okay, planet 2 is x away. That's easy. Okay, now planet 1, you do not want to put 31.4 because that's not how far away it is from the sun. That's how far it is away from planet 2. We need to talk about this distance. That's going to be x plus 31.4. That's that total distance. So for planet 1, I write x plus 31.4. Now, for planet 3, how far away is that? Well, it's more than this distance because I've got to go x and then another 31.4 and then another 23.6. So I'm looking for this total distance here, which is going to be x plus 31.4 plus 23.6. Now I'm going to add the 31.4 and the 23.6, and I get 55. So that's 55. So if I want to talk about a way of talking about how far away planet 3 is from the sun, it is x plus 55 away. Okay, so all I've done right now is I've organized my information and I've translated into math. I have a way of talking about the distance from the sun for each of these 3 planets. Now let's look at what else we have not done. When the total, that means add, of the distances for these 3 planets is 188.4, how far away is it? Okay, so I'm supposed to add up all 3 distances and I get 188.4. So that means my plan would be to take the distance from planet 1 plus planet 2 plus planet 3, and that's supposed to equal 188.4. Well, let's plug these in. Planet 1 is x plus 31.4 away from the sun, plus planet 2 is x away, plus planet 3 is x plus 55 away. And this equals 188.4. Now, mathematically, these parentheses don't matter. I use them so you could see the different planets. You can see where they came from. So I'm going to drop the parentheses. Okay. Now combine like terms. X plus x is 3x. Plus add 31.4 and 55. And you get 86.4 is equal to 188.4. Okay, now I want the 3x alone, so I'm going to move this over to here. I subtract 86.4 from both sides. And I get 102. So I have 3x is equal to 102. Now I need to divide both sides by 3. And 102 divided by 3 is 34. So x is equal to 34. All right, what were we asked to find? We were asked to find how far away the sun is from planet 2. Planet 2 is x. We found x. The answer we're looking for is 34 million miles. The million miles is provided for you. All you need to do is to type in that 34.